this has been, seeing this showroom is crazy, because I do think that this type of technology is going to be really important to our future. So especially, electric vehicles, I think it's very important because we need to be sustainable. Maybe one day, I mean, we live in New York, so we don't really drive. But if I ever leave New York and go back to the more suburban parts of the country, I would definitely consider it, because it's just so much better for the environment.
Oh, it was very impressive. Really modern, really sleek cars. I'm not a big car person, but I was definitely impressed by what I saw there. I'm excited to see how Chinese electric vehicles continue to develop as time goes on. I really think that it should be a place where they can cooperate, because we all live on one planet, and it makes sense as far as the environmental impact that electric vehicles can have to make things more sustainable.